Terry Willingham, and I am the Executive Director of the Foundation for Community-Driven Innovation, the nonprofit that founded and runs AMRoC Fab Lab here in Tampa, Florida.
My name is Steve Willingham. I am the founder and the Chief Financial Officer at AMRoC.
So AMRoC, which stands for the Advanced Manufacturing Robotics Center, was the outgrowth of our work in youth STEM education in the community, and we saw how transformational that was, and we thought it would be really valuable to have a space, a dedicated space where students and adults could come and have exposure to a variety of different kinds of science and technology resources they wouldn't ordinarily have in their community centers or in their schools.
So in the student range from 8 to 18, it's robotics, and that's where the students really begin to get a love for technology, for engineering, for math, right? And then, so the front half of this AMRoC location that we have is mostly for the robotics fields and the competition and the training, and the back half is a machine shop area. So this is where the students, we get to teach them skills in manufacturing. A lot of fun. The kids just have a blast. So do the students, so do the mentors. And we go actually beyond that with other projects and programs that do within AMRoC. So I call it K to Gray.
In the short term, we've been able to launch 25 new businesses, small minority and women-owned businesses in the university area through our Equity and Entrepreneurship Program, which provides an on-ramp for very early stage nascent entrepreneurs.
For me, I want to start a business in percussion equipment design. My product is one that deals with hi-hat systems and drum sets. My device essentially would do is help relieve a person from having to use their foot to accomplish those sounds you get from a hi-hat pair. It's kind of been personally a dream of mine to be able to interact with others of the same thinking. Like, this is a community space, which is great. It's great.
We've been able to give people education on everything on how do you develop an idea into a marketable business. So that's been one of our most impactful programs. The other one is youth STEM education programs, where kids are coming in at the age of 7 or 8 and learning how to work together as teams to develop technology solution to a game through the robotics programs.
This robot is for our current season for FTC challenge, and we're actually working on a new robot, but this robot is also like what we're using right now. My hopes are to get into engineering. I've always been interested in it, and being here at AMRoC and working with people here, I've been even more interested in it. I like the opportunities it has to offer for the community and all the resources it has, but I think the most important thing for me when I came here was the people here. Everyone's very welcoming.
I think this is the coolest thing I have ever done in my life. I think the most exciting thing to me is when either a child or an adult gets something. I love the expression of people when they come into the space, when they get it right away. And seeing that process of discovery happening in people, and that the agency that develops in individuals, which is what all this is about. It's about developing personal agency, building capacity, so that you're empowered in a creative process, which makes you a more critical thinker and gives you some sense of power and ownership over your life in the world. I want more people to see it. I want more people to understand the power there is in making things and exploring things and being able to reinvent yourself as many times as you want to, as many times as you need to develop the resiliency to deal with an ever-changing world. I think a space like this and many more spaces like this could do it. We invite people to come look at it, look at how they can repurpose a space like a dying mall in their communities and use these spaces for something really useful and meaningful where you can do what matters. I love that growing realization that people have when it dawns on them that they can do something. I think that's my favorite part.